Hello everyone. I am experimenting with some high carb dishes to make it keto. Hey, I hear something knocking. Oh, it's gnocchi? Yes, today's recipe is keto gnocchi or pasta. So let's get cooking. Ingredients are cauliflower, cheddar cheese, mozzarella, coconut flour, olive oil, xanthum gum and salt. Boil some water, add cauliflower florets and let it boil for 7 to 10 minutes. It seems done. Now drain the water completely and grind it to make a cauliflower mash or paste. Now add cheddar cheese, coconut flour, olive oil, xanthum gum and salt. Mix it properly. My mixture feels little loose, so I am adding 1 more tablespoon of coconut flour to make it thick. After that, microwave the mozzarella cheese for 1 minute and mix with this mixture. Actually, my mixture got cold, that's why I microwaved the cheese. But you can put the mozzarella with cheddar cheese. Friends, you may add different spices or herbs in this dough to make it more flavorful. Now our dough is done. Now place the dough on the plain surface with parchment paper and spread it with the hands. Cut the dough into 4 pieces. Roll each piece into a ball. After that, let it refrigerate for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Dust the surface with coconut flour. With the palms of hands, roll the dough into a rope. You can increase or decrease the thickness according to your preference. Do the same for other pieces of dough. Now roughly cut the rope into smaller pieces. Friends, you may refrigerate half of the dough for 1 to 2 days. Just boil and fry the gnocchi before you eat. To shape the gnocchi, hold a fork in one hand and place the gnocchi against the spikes of the fork. Guys, this is an optional step. You may simply make small round balls. Add some salt into the water and cook the gnocchi in batches by dropping them into the boiling water. When they are cooked, they will pop back up to the top. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, they have risen to the top. Now take out the gnocchi and do the same for another batch. Friends, you can simply mix this boiled gnocchi with any sauces, gravies or dips. But I decided to fry the gnocchi for extra crunch and of course for extra fats. Now heat some oil in the pan and fry the gnocchi for 1 to 2 minutes per side or until it becomes slightly brown in color. Flip it over and cook the other side. Guys, frying the gnocchi enhances the flavor and eliminate the cauliflower smell if you do not like it. Now first batch is done. Do the same for second batch. After this, we will prepare our sauce. For this, we need tomato sauce, cream, oil and garlic. Heat some oil in the pan. Add chopped garlic and saute for 1 minute. Add tomato sauce and stir it for few seconds. Add cream. Mix it. It will give richness to the sauce. Add all the fried gnocchi and gently coat with the sauce. I have used half of the mixture and other half is in refrigerator and will be cooked in dinner. Guys, this is ready. Decorate it with some cheese and herbs. Friends, this will make an excellent meal for your lunch or dinner. Hope it curbs your carbs cravings. Thanks for watching.